This is the performance summary for the relative strength strategy for week ending July 17th. Let's start by inputting the current account value into the spreadsheet. So far for the month of July, the strategy is down 9.1%. And these are the three positions held in the three asset portfolio. The first one is FDCPX, which is the Fidelity Select Tech Hardware portfolio. That one is down 10% since we entered it. And in that mutual fund, the top holdings are Cisco Systems, Western Digital, Apple, Kiyoshia Holdings, and Samsung Electronics. And this is how that mutual fund looks since 1998. That's as far back as the data goes. The next holding is FSAGX, which is the Fidelity Select Gold portfolio. That's down 6.4% since we entered it. And the top holdings in that one are Newmont Corp, Agnico Eagle Mines, Barrick Mining, Wheaton Precious Metals, and Franco-Nevada. And this is how the chart for that one looks going back to 1992. The next one is SLV, which is the silver ETF. That one is down quite a bit. It's down 23% since we entered it. And this is how the SLV ETF has performed going back to 2006. And the next two are the ones that make up the five asset portfolio. The first one of those is FFGCX, which is the Fidelity Global Commodity Stock Fund. And the top holdings in that one are Corteva, ExxonMobil, Archer Daniels Midland, Bunge Global, and Nutrien Limited. And the chart for that looks like this going back to 2009. And the other holding in the five asset portfolio is FPHAX, which is the Fidelity Select Pharmaceuticals portfolio. And the top holdings in that one are Eli Lilly, GSK, Merck, Viatris, and UCB. And the chart for that one looks like this going back to 2001. And let's input the current balance into the cumulative tab. So this is what the equity growth in my account looks like since going live in May of last year. Currently in a bit of a drawdown, but the account is still up 56.4% since inception. And let's also look at the performance of the three asset portfolio long term. This is the back test going from 1991 to today. And over that time frame, the three asset portfolio's annualized rate of return is 17.7%, compared to 9% for the S&P 500 benchmark. And year to date, the three asset portfolio is up 15%, compared to about 8% for the S&P 500. And that's what the back-tested equity curve looks like. And also, let's look at the five asset portfolio over the same time frame, 1991 to present date. And over that time frame, the annualized rate of return is 17.1% compared to 9% for the S&P 500. And year to date, the five asset portfolio is up 16.4% compared to about 8% for the S&P 500. And this is what that equity curve looks like. So if you'd like to learn more about relative strength, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service where I email you the mutual fund and ETF picks on a monthly basis, please visit my website at returnstream.com. The link is below. Thank you.